Hey there! Ever wondered how social media platforms work behind the scenes? From logging in to liking posts and leaving comments, it's all powered by a fascinating system of interactions. In this video, we'll break it all down step by step with a simple sequence diagram. Sequence diagrams help us visualize how different parts of a system interact with each other step by step. Today, we'll look at the interactions between the user, that's you, the web app, your browser or app interface, the backend server, the brains of the operation, the database, where all the data lives, the notification service, keeps everyone informed. Let's start with the first action, logging in. When you log into a social media platform, you, the user, send a login request through the web app. The web app passes your credentials to the backend server for verification. The backend server checks the credentials with the database. If the credentials are correct, the database confirms success, and the backend server sends this back to the web app. Finally, the web app lets you know if you're logged in or if there's an error. Now let's talk about creating a post. When you hit post, your content is sent from the web app to the backend server. The server saves your post into the database and confirms that it's stored. The web app then updates your screen to show your published post. And just like that, your thoughts are out there for the world to see. When you like someone's post, your web app sends a like request to the backend server. The server updates the database to reflect the new like count. At the same time, the server communicates with the notification service to notify the post owner about the like. The confirmation flows back to you so your app shows that the post is liked. This ensures that both the post owner and you get instant updates. Here's what happens when you comment on a post. You type your comment and send it through the web app. The backend server receives the comment and stores it in the database. A notification is triggered via the notification service, informing the post owner about your comment. Finally, the server updates your screen to show your new comment under the post. Every action is quick, seamless, and keeps users connected. And that's how social media platforms handle your actions behind the scenes: smooth, fast, and efficient. If you enjoyed this breakdown or learned something new, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech insights.